Let's talk about the amazing fact that gratitude journaling prevents high A1C, lowers your chances of having diabetes and heart disease, insomnia. Also, it lowers cortisol levels, helps with depression, all respiratory infections, preventing those, on and on and on. You got to check this out.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about the fact that just using a gratitude journal every night, writing out what you are grateful for, can make a huge change in your health in general and well-being, and help to prevent high A1C tests, and help to prevent diabetes, heart disease, insomnia, aches and pains, and respiratory infections, and GI tract problems, and upset stomachs, and on and on and on. I'm telling you, there are so many things it will help. But before I get into that, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please tell other people. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get my, subscriber list up to 100,000 in 2023, and I appreciate your help making it get there. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. Live a Cancer-Free Life. If you Google that, you can get a copy, either a Kindle copy anywhere in the world, or a paperback copy like this. And we just had 4 out of 5 people coming down with cancer now. Not good. And we can lower your chances of coming down with cancer just reading this. It's a quick read. It's not an encyclopedia. And some down-to-earth things that you can do to help prevent cancer in general. And I get right to the point. So get a copy and it will do your body good. I have to say there's so much in the way of wonderful, peer-reviewed journal articles about gratitude journaling and gratitude in general, helping to make you healthy. It can also help with aches and pains and fewer GI upsets, stomach aches, fewer respiratory infections, fewer headaches, all kinds of things. And also it helps to lower your A1C test, helps with diabetes in general, lower your cortisol level test, your stress hormone. Also helps with insomnia and makes you happier, feel better. You just have feelings of well-being. One researcher, Jeff Hoffman, said, gratitude can be a powerful and invigorating experience. And I myself find that to be very, very true. One study with a large number of people actually in just 2 weeks showed that people had better physical health, less headaches, less stomach pains, less congestion, and on and on and on. So just 2 weeks of journaling. That's amazing. Another study with 401 people showed that people who did gratitude journaling fell asleep faster, stayed asleep longer, and woke up more refreshed. Wow, that's really amazing and something to think about. Another wonderful test that was done, a study was done, really showed that people with neuromuscular disease, MS and all kinds of things, that they did a gratitude journaling, actually fell asleep faster, stayed asleep longer, and felt more refreshed. So, wow, that's great. Another study showed that people just in general slept better if they did gratitude journaling. And another study showed they had better heart rate outcomes, less problems with their heart skipping beats and things like that in general. So that's really important also. Also, people who did gratitude journaling had less in the way of high blood pressure. They had lower blood pressure in general. So this is super important. Another great study with 186 people showed the people who used the gratitude journal fell asleep better, easier, and was less fatigued, had less depression, had more self-confidence, had less inflammation, and better heart health in general. So, wow, more self-confidence. That's interesting. Also, another one showed it had better blood vessel function also. So less inflammation, so their blood vessels can expand and contract, and that prevents high blood pressure. Also, another study showed that people who did a journaling in general had lower A1C test, which is your indication of inflammation also in the body, but also indicator of diabetes, and they had less diabetes in general. And I could go on and on and on. There is so much in the way of studies that show gratitude journaling every night, writing down in your gratitude, it really does work. Also, there are some nice free, gratitude journals online that you can add your, gratitude to also, and write down your, what you feel about the day and what you're grateful for in general. So that's really important. You can do that on your phone and anything. But writing it by hand really seems to make even a bigger difference. So I highly recommend writing it out in longhand if you can. So gratitude is amazing. And I highly recommend it, journaling about your gratitude for the day. Also, if you have some kind of disease going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. Let's get rid of that and let you actually live in peace and happiness and great health. Call me at 831-869-9119. Remember God, and remember I love you, and remember be grateful for whatever is happening in your life. Down the line, it will work out to be something great. But we have to have gratitude now, even in the midst of what we call a bad thing. And good things will come to us. I love you.